Security forces arrested 3 Kuki militants who involved in violent activities along with sophisticated weapons. According to a police report, a combined team of CRPF, Assam Rifles and State Force conducted combing operation at Hengjol, Kuki village under New Manipur police station in Kangpokpi district today at around 9 a.m. During the operation, the combined team arrested 3 militants. However, the details are yet to be ascertained. The joint team also seized 3 rifles of AK series, 7 magazines of AK series, 5 Insas rifles, walkie-talkie set, huge live rounds, ammunition along with combat dresses from their possession. Meanwhile, Kuki women folks blocked a road to prevent the arrest of the Kuki militants. The security had to fire tear gas shells to disperse the mob, in which 2 Kuki women reportedly had sustained minor injury. The arrested militants have been handed over to Manipur police station for further investigation.